Travelling around Thailand domestically is definitely getting easier. We've headed to Chiang Mai and this is where we're going to start our road trip, and we're going to travel to other provinces in the north of Thailand. That's where we're going to start. Our first day we stayed in an area known as Chiang Mai, and in this area there's quite a few hidden gems, which we'll share some of them with you, which are hidden behind some of the old buildings. When you're having a midlife crisis, what else do you need? Chocolate.
Tastes like masama.
Right. Okay, yeah, it's alright.
In this video, we'll explore this area and share some information with you and share the experience, just to give you an idea of what to expect if you do want to visit this area sometime soon. Lychee rose tea with cannabis. I'm not a fan of cannabis, but we'll have a try. Oh, I think I need to sit down right there. Oh, I feel really paranoid. No, it's okay, thank you. Yeah, I love dogs. Is he friendly?
Yes.
Yeah. Hello. Okay, we're in an area now in Chiang Mai which is called Chiang Mai, and we've checked into this hotel for 2 nights. It's called the Warehouse. Come and have a look. I'll show you around this room. We'll start with the bathroom. Okay, so we've got a decent sized bathroom here. This door's nice, I like that, this sliding door. That's good actually, having a sliding door in the bathroom, because then it just means there's more space, so the door doesn't have to open in and out. So it's a walk-in shower, decent size. Nice for chilling. This is quite a decent sized room, and this was 750 baht a night. It doesn't include breakfast. For 750 baht, it's a good deal, I think. Let's try this bed. Yeah, that feels comfortable. Actually, that's really comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's nice. And then there's a wardrobe and a safe over here. There's a safe in this corner. And there's some towels in here, and I've just checked, and the swimming pool is open at the moment, so we'll use that tomorrow if it's sunny. Some umbrellas here as well. There's a little fridge there. Oh, that looks like candy, but I don't think it is. No, it's
Coffee.
Coffee here. And a hairdryer. Okay. And we'll go out in a bit once we've gotten sorted, and we'll show you around the communal areas. We might do that tomorrow as well when it's light, because it's dark now and we're starving. We really want to go out and get some food. And the name of this hotel, Warehouse, is because a few years back it actually was a warehouse which has been converted into a hotel, and it used to store construction property. There's a nice pool here, and it was really quiet for the 2 days that we've stayed here, and the Wi-Fi is good and the bed is very comfortable.
From here, we used to be like the last house before, about like 30 years old. But for now, like the world is changing, so the Chiang Mai is like traveling province. So we like renovate and change that to the hotel. And we have like hostel here as well. From here, we have big building, but we have just like 12 rooms. So it's very quiet, not too busy. You will like enjoy and relax in here.
We're going for a walk this morning to explore the local community on the east side of the old town.
Oh, I didn't notice that art on the wall last night, but that's because it was dark. That looks nice. I really like street art. Is there more street art in Chiang Mai somewhere?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. And the weather today is nice. The sky is very clear, very blue, and it's sunny, but it's not too hot. It's quite early in the morning now though. It's 9 o'clock in the morning and the temperature feels just right. I'm not sweating. It's lovely. This restaurant here, it's called Dai Toon Ban, and it's about a 5-minute walk from Warehouse Hotel. It's an old style house that's been converted into a restaurant and it serves traditional breakfast. We're going to go inside and have a look and see what we can get for breakfast.
In this restaurant, we've ordered pan-fried eggs with Vietnamese and Chinese sausage. And Jerry is having something called joke, which is rice porridge with minced pork.
That was lovely. You know what I really liked about it? It had a really traditional feel, but it took me back a bit in time. There were some cassette tapes in there and there was a grandfather clock on the wall and then an old-fashioned alarm clock. One thing you need to be aware of though, the ceilings are quite low, so make sure when you go in, if you're tall, duck your head down. And for breakfast, that came to 195 baht, which is about £4.30. What am I going to do? I'm 45, I haven't got a clue what's going on in my life. I don't know what I want. I don't know where I want to go. I think I'm having a midlife crisis. But I do have another idea. When you're having a midlife crisis, what else do you need? Chocolate.
We've stumbled across this chocolate shop by accident. I was having a laugh just making a joke outside the shop called Midlife Crisis, and while I was sitting outside, Jerry got chatting to the woman next door and she invited us in, and it was really interesting to go inside. From outside it just looks like a normal shop which sells chocolate, but then we went in and it was fascinating to see all of the different types of chocolate which was being sold inside.
Jerry's going to try some Massaman curry flavoured chocolate. Dun dun dun.
Tastes like masaman.
Right.
Peanut sweet. A little bit spicy. Oh, nice. ต้มข่า
นมค่ะจะได้กินกับต้มค่ะ
Oh, interesting. But my favorite, masaman.
Right, well, can I try a little bit of this one?
Please.
Thank you. I'm not as brave as Jerry. For me, this one's coconut milk, which is probably be more my taste. And this one is mango and chili. Oh, spicy. I'm joking, it isn't. I'm gonna have the mango and chili. Unless you want one of the curry ones.
If you want spicy, this one.
No, I'll have,
Not too much, just a little.
I think, Thai bullet.
Yeah. It will come
Later.
out later.
Oh, that's nice. That one's nicer. I've changed my mind. I'm gonna have this. It's alloy.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice. When you first suck it, you can't really taste the chili, but then you start to get the chili hit afterwards. That's good. Copycat.
I hope you're not gonna hiccup.
I like that. That's lovely, that one. That's my favourite. This is Taipei Gate, and you can see there's loads of pigeons. I'm a little bit scared when they come too close to me, but we're going to buy some seed, throw the seed up, and see if we can get them to come and sit in our hand. Feed the birds, tuppence a bag. Oh, look at this hat. Do you think I can fit this? What do you think?
You wanna try?
Yes, I do.
I think I want one though. I
What,
want
do you want?
something
Do
big.
you want one this big?
That too big. look nice.
It looks big for you because your head's quite little.
I'm a big head.
I think that's a little bit too big. I think you need something a little
Smaller.
bit smaller.
Well, if you're looking for a handcrafted basket while you're in Chiang Mai, or you want a hat that was made just for you, this is the place to come. And I'm sure Jerry will be up tomorrow morning at the crack of dawn to go and get his basket made to match his lovely new hat.
Okay, nah?
Yeah, it's alright.
In this area in Chiang Mai, there's a few great coffee shops available for you just to sit. You can sit outside on the street if you want to and just watch the world go by and people watch. Really fantastic way to spend your free time. There's also a few various restaurants with different cuisines. You can choose from Vietnamese food, roll noodle soup, which actually doesn't even look like a restaurant, it's just a little hole in the wall, but then you go in and you can buy the guayajak for as little as 30 baht. And then there's pad thai, there's the famous Thai dessert, and then there's also Japanese food where you only pay 59 baht. So much selection and really good prices. There's also a few big local markets in this area as well. You've got Luang Mai Market, Tom Lam Yai Market, and also the most famous, which is Wararot Market of Gad Luang. Gad Luang is known to be one of the most well-known tourist attractions in Chiang Mai province. This market's really well known for selling local products, which are quite rare in other regions within Thailand. And you can also find some typical northern foods such as sai ua, mu yaw, nam prik noom, and a lot of dried food such as dried fruits. And apart from the local food, you can also find clothes, ceramic, cloth, embroidery, appliances, flowers, and many other things. Jerry's just bought this herbal drink and it says lychee rose tea with cannabis. I'm not a fan of cannabis, but we'll have a try. No woman, no cry. No woman, no cry. Oh, I think I need to sit down right there. Oh, I feel really paranoid.
That's not because of that. Because of we getting older. Thaiละครับ
หายแล้วเจ้า
ผัดไทย
อ๋อ มันมีหมูค่ะ ใส่ก็ได้ไม่ใส่ก็ได้ค่ะ
pork means pork
I've never had pad thai with pork before.
yeah you're gonna try from here
Okay.
ครับ
เจ้าไหนๆก็มาแล้วใช่ไหมหน่อยจ้า
Jerry just spoke to the lady who cooked this pad thai and she told him that there's 4 generations in the family have been cooking this for 100 years. And it's a little bit different to the normal pad thai because it comes with mango and there's also this cabbage as well. But the finishing touch, I'm just going to squeeze a bit of this lime juice on the top before I try it. Cup and cup. I'm not really good with these chopsticks.
You can use the fork. And the meat is minced pork. It's a little bit different with another.
Yeah, because usually it's got, you can get this with shrimp pad thai, or I don't really like shrimp, so I usually get it with chicken, but this one's with pork.
I like it with its all ingredient and the vegetable. It's a little bit different as well. cabbage.
I really like this. Nice.
ว่าจะไปกินกาแฟคนกินกาแฟเนี่ยผมพูดเลยสักวันเลย
ใส่เข้าไป
อ๋อ
80 บาท
ขอบคุณ
So
ค่ะ
cheap.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
How much was it?
80 baht.
80 baht for lunch. That's less than £2 for
Yeah.
2 people.
Yeah.
นำก่อนให้ถามก่อนเนาะ
She asking what about the taste?
Oh, aloy
อ
ma.
ร่อยขอบคุณเจ้ามาเชียงใหม่ลำแต่แต่เจ้า
Alina?
ลำแต่แต่เจ้า
Ah, lam kate jiao. Thank you.
And Jerry wants to try this dessert, which is very popular in northern Thailand. Actually, you can find this dessert around the country. And I have to be honest, it's not something that hugely appeals to me, but Jerry loves it, so it's definitely worth a try, just to see what you think. And it's a combination of shaved ice with a variety of toppings such as coconut, melon, sweet corn, and palm seeds, and it's bathed in a sweet syrup and a coconut milk, and then there's some crushed ice put onto the top of there.
The price start from 30
Yeah.
till 50 baht.
Okay.
It depends on the ingredient that you choose.
Yeah.
If you like something really Thai, this one is another option.
What's that on the top? Is it ice?
Ice.
Shaved ice.
Ice. Oh my god.
I mean, I have to be honest, my first impression without even trying it, and it's probably wrong to think like this, but it doesn't excite me as a dessert to look at that. I think not my thing, but I'll try it though. It tastes like a pina colada. It is because you've put, what's in a pina colada again?
Coconut
It's
milk,
coconut and
pineapple.
pineapple. Tastes a bit like that. Okay, we're going to end this video here because my belly's full and I've got to head back to the hotel because I've got a bit of work to do. But as always, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. And come back in a couple of days' time where we'll have more of Chiang Mai to share with you. Show me. Now my belly's full. Now my belly's fuller.